What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Quick Helper. Today, I'll show you how to save an Excel file as a PDF. Let's start. First, you have to click on File at the top left corner, then select Print. In the print settings, choose your preferred orientation such as landscape. You can also adjust scaling if needed. Next, select Microsoft Print to PDF as your printer option. This will save the file as a PDF instead of printing it. Click on Print and choose where you want to save the PDF. Give it a name and click Save. There you go. Your Excel file is now saved as PDF and it's ready to use. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.